about to set up the Little Tikes Rocky Mountain River Race. This is a Little Tikes water slide that's made for kids ages 5 to 10.
Going. All right, stop. Bring your end around, Jeremy. There we go. Now get the stakes out.
And it looks like it's all the way inflated. And what did it take? A minute?
A minute.
About a minute. So we're going to finish putting the stakes up and then hook the water in and see how the slide works. See, it comes through the little water spout to the tube. And the water comes down, and that's how the hole gets filled up. And then there's also water up here that be adjusted, but it goes into the bucket, and then the bucket will fill up. So we're going to get the kids on because they've been dying to get them to try it out and see how it works. How excited are you to go on the Little Tikes slide?
I really want to do it right now.
Okay, so go ahead. Don't let the bucket pour on your head. Oh, it got you.
Woo!
Oh! What do you think?
It's so fun!
What do you think?
I love it!
Okay. Jeremy, you can go up.
I love going up! Woo!
What do you think?
It's fun!
Okay, go Aubrey. So Aubrey is 7 and Jeremy just turned 11. And as you can see, it holds up great.
Watch this! Whoa! Yeah!
Don't let the slide or the bucket pour on you. So this is the Little Tikes Rocky Mountain River Race. And it holds both of them great.